What up, everybody? Welcome back to another vlog. I really appreciate you if you made it to this episode and watched the previous ones. Appreciate you guys. Anyways, number one, we're starving right now. So me and Shelly about to head to a brunch spot, get some breakfast, brunch, whatever. Then we gotta pick up a care package for the Civic, so for Belly. And then we gotta pick something up from Target, and then spa day for the SI. I've wanted to get this car detailed. That whole process is taking way too long, so I'm just gonna do it ourselves. We already went to 2 spots and it's packed. Today's Sunday, so everybody's, having their Sunday breakfast and stuff. So there's like, we're not trying to wait in line for like 10 years and stuff because we got things to do. So we're trying to figure out where we're gonna go to get something to eat.
I'm trying to look up something.
Instead, can I just have 2 ham breakfast burritos?
Sorry, what was that?
Can I have 2 ham breakfast burritos?
2 ham breakfast burritos?
Yes, please.
And no chili to those?
Yeah, no chilies on those.
Alright, anything else for you?
And can I have 2 orange juice to drink?
What was that? Sorry.
2 orange juice?
2 orange juices?
Yes.
Large ones?
You
Or
want
small ones?
I can do 2 smalls.
2 small?
Yeah, and that'll be all.
And that's gonna be it for you?
Yes, please.
Alright, your total's gonna be 12 before at the window. Thank you.
Alright, thank you. We're just gonna get twisters instead. Alright, so we got some breakfast burritos. Why you laughing? Yo, I asked for orange juice.
Oh, I hit my head.
And then look what they gave us. I'm thinking I'm gonna get a real orange juice. They gave me a little. This is a bottle cap. Like,
And then he
one
asked for
And then what? And then what?
He asked for a straw. He asked for a straw and he drove away.
I asked for a straw and then the lady wasn't there, so I just left.
She had the window still open and he drove away.
We made it to Walmart. We had to go pick it up. Unlike Target, we have to actually go inside and pick this place up. Shout out to Target. You got us doing this craziness. Literally, we parked in the spot. The lady was already there and just dropped it off and we left. And freaking Walmart over there. Shaking my head. I'm gonna explain what we got from Walmart though. Made a little pit stop home. I took off my top shirt. Just got my undershirt on. It's hot, man. It's about like 1,000 degrees. So we about to head 98 to be exact. We're to head to the car wash. And it's one of those old school like self wash car wash. I don't know what the hell you call it.
We're getting something to drink first, so I'm thirsty.
Should we go get some Starbucks?
Yes, please.
I've always wanted to go to one of those type of car washes where you soap up the car and wash it off yourself. It's like brushless, do your own thing. So there's a few of them around town, and I found one that's kind of close by, so we're gonna head to that one. So this is what I picked up from Walmart. It's a McGuire's complete, detail kit. I never used this before. I did some research, and a lot of people said that this is a good starter kit if you're trying to do detail by yourself. So I'm gonna try it out. All right, we're in the SI now. We at Starbucks. It's 100 degrees right now, and my AC don't work, so yeah. Race car. I don't know if it's the fan speed, but the AC is working now. Like, it's fine now, but if I go if I go high, I don't know. I gotta double check it. But anyways, look at this interior. Like, definitely gotta get all this cleaned up today. That's the whole purpose of the spa day for that side. We definitely gonna stop, get some gas first, cause I'm on E. So we only get 1 straw, so I don't know what we're gonna do with this. I think that's straw for the second one. Thank you.
Thank you.
Whenever I go to Starbucks, I always get the strawberry refresher. Can't go wrong. We just got some gas, so we're off to the car wash.
You're doing wax? The slime reminds me of, what was that from Nickelodeon?
Slime?
No, but like the show.
Oh, remember?
Comment below if you guys remember the show I'm talking about from Nickelodeon where they do like all the slime and stuff.
This is the first time I've probably been to one of these type of car wash thing with you. It's mad cool. We gotta bring Shelly car to do this too. Pretty fun. I'm gonna use McGuire's kit right after this. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to use everything.
And these are full size for $20. That is such a good deal.
See a little pad. Yeah, you got a bunch of stuff.
Look at that.
For the tire. Did the cleaner wax. You have the
That's basically $4 a piece.
Pretty much. This is the car wash. But I already washed the car, so I'm not gonna use none of those. Glass cleaner. An interior cleaner we're gonna need as well. So I guess I'm gonna try the wax. Alright, so I got a little chamois. Where we got it from?
I think the dollar store.
Dollar store. I'm gonna dry the car off. I'm done with the outside. The reason why I wanted to do this cleaning detail, mostly for the interior. Not too worried about the exterior, because it rains here like randomly. Maybe rain today. Like, look at those clouds, who knows? But the outside looks so good. So we did the window. Look at that. It's shiny.
Shiny.
Look at that. I don't think I did it before. We didn't do it before. You guys knew how the car looked before. And look at it now. So we didn't use everything on the kit because it's hot as hell. We're not trying to be here all day. So
we're very proud of this.
The tail lights is all sparkly clean. That's all wax. So just wax the car. I use the McGuire's, what is it called? Oh, that perfect clarity glass cleaner. And they made the glass all nice as well. Look at that.
It's so good.
Real clean. So we're gonna get down to the interior. And the vacuum and everything's over there, so it's gonna pull the car forward. There's no shade over there, so I'm gonna die in there, but it's okay. Look at that. Oh, I'm sweating like crazy. They got a super vacuum. I'm gonna use this and vacuum out the interior. And they got a fragrance vacuum as well. When I bought this car, the car has never been detailed, so this is how I bought it, pretty much dirty, and it's time I just clean all this mess. Like, look at the seat. Look at the floor. Michelle was starting off in the interior. Shout out to Shelly. It's all dusty up there. I'm gonna vacuum everything in here. Look at all these craziness. This is the reason why I really wanted to get this done. Yo, it's so hot, son. But pretty much, look at that. Day and night difference. So there's a lot of stuff like that's like in the carpet I couldn't get with the vacuum. But I got the seats, everything all cleaned up. I might need to get a dog brush. No, what's it called? No, dog stone, so I could get deep into the carpet and get all that gunk out of here. But I did the driver and passenger side. It's like day and night difference. Look at this. Whoever was in the back seat, I don't know, these previous owners had kids or something, but they freaking destroyed that back seat. Like, I need to get some more tools to get that back seat. Whoever had this car before, you guys are animals. But we're gonna do the wheels. Michelle already started on this side, so I got some wheel cleaner from Armor Oil. And we use the McGuire's interior detailer for the interior.
You sprayed this.
And then spray that this is for the tires. And then we have a wheel and tire cleaner as well. So we're gonna get going with the wheels because they're pretty dirty. Calling it quits for right now, but belly looks so nice, so clean. She's shining in the sun. Interior looks pretty decent. We're gonna go get something to drink and then head home. All right, never mind. Thank you.
You're welcome. Sorry about that.
No, it's all right. We went to McDonald's just now, and they have no smoothies. So we're gonna go to the next McDonald's that's closer by us. Change the plans. We're actually gonna go to Squeeze, get some smoothies instead. Isn't she pretty? Not the car, her inside there. Damn, son, look at yo. Sheesh. We got a tropical paradise. This has a bunch of stuff in there. Hitting right now. Hitting right now, son. We finally made it back home. First thing we're gonna do is take a shower because I was sweating like a pig out there. It's all cloudy and stuff right now, so it's like the sun barely peeking out. It's cooling off a little bit. My AC works, so I don't know why. I gotta take a look into it. This morning we were dying, and then the rest of the day it was fine. So I don't know. I'm gonna end today's episode here. I'm actually editing the video right now. After I edit the video, I may jump on some 5M. It's been a minute since I've been on. I took a little break from the 5M and the Assetto Corsa and the Gran Turismo because I want to vlog a little bit more. Tonight I may jump on some 5M, or I may jump on some either Fortnite or PUBG. See what I'm feeling. But thank you guys for watching. Definitely stay tuned for next episode because me and Michelle have something special for you guys. So can't wait for you guys to see it. And thank you again if you watched the video, give it a like, give it a comment as well too. I appreciate you guys. See you in the next vlog.